Top 10 foods that improve bone density and boost joint health. Maintaining strong bones and healthy joints is essential for overall well-being, especially as we age. While regular exercise and lifestyle choices play a significant role, a balanced diet rich in specific nutrients can also contribute to bone density and joint health. Here's a roundup of the top 10 foods that can help improve bone density and boost joint health. Dairy products. Dairy products are renowned for their high calcium content, making them essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Calcium is a mineral that constitutes a significant portion of bone structure, providing strength and rigidity to the skeletal system. Adequate calcium intake throughout life is crucial, especially during childhood and adolescence when bones are still developing, and during adulthood to maintain bone density and prevent bone loss. Milk, yogurt, and cheese are all excellent sources of calcium, with each serving providing a substantial portion of the recommended daily intake. For example, a single cup of milk typically contains around 300 milligrams of calcium, which is roughly 30% of the daily recommended intake for adults. Yogurt and cheese also provide significant amounts of calcium per serving. In addition to calcium, dairy products offer other essential nutrients that contribute to bone health. These include protein, which is essential for building and repairing bone tissue. Protein provides the structural framework for bones and plays a role in bone metabolism, helping to maintain bone mass and strength. Vitamin D, which is necessary for calcium absorption in the intestines and plays a crucial role in regulating calcium levels in the blood. Without adequate vitamin D, the body cannot effectively utilize the calcium consumed from food sources. And phosphorus, which works alongside calcium to build and maintain bone structure, and deficiencies in phosphorus can negatively impact bone density and strength. Leafy greens. Leafy green vegetables, including kale, spinach, and collard greens, are nutritional powerhouses packed with essential vitamins and minerals. These greens are rich sources of calcium, a mineral vital for maintaining bone strength and density. Adequate calcium intake is essential throughout life to prevent osteoporosis and reduce the risk of fractures. Furthermore, leafy greens are abundant in vitamin K. Andesite, a nutrient known for its role in bone metabolism. Vitamin K is involved in the synthesis of proteins that regulate bone mineralization, thereby contributing to bone health and potentially reducing the risk of fractures. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel, are renowned for their high content of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of polyunsaturated fat that the body cannot produce on its own, so they must be obtained through diet. These fatty acids play a crucial role in reducing inflammation in the body, making them particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from joint pain and inflammation associated with conditions like arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3 fatty acids can help alleviate symptoms such as joint stiffness, swelling, and discomfort. They work by blocking the production of inflammatory substances in the body, thereby reducing the overall inflammatory response. In addition to their anti-inflammatory benefits, fatty fish are also excellent sources of vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for bone health as it helps the body absorb calcium from the diet. Adequate vitamin D levels are crucial for maintaining strong and healthy bones, as well as preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, are nutrient powerhouses that offer a variety of benefits for bone and joint health. Firstly, these foods are rich sources of essential minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which play critical roles in maintaining strong bones. Calcium is well known for its role in bone formation and density, while magnesium is necessary for the proper function of muscles and nerves, including those surrounding the joints. Phosphorus is also vital for bone health, as it contributes to the structural integrity of bones and teeth. Moreover, nuts and seeds are abundant in healthy fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These fats possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce joint pain and inflammation, similar to the effects of those found in fatty fish. By incorporating nuts and seeds into your diet, you can support joint health and alleviate symptoms associated with conditions like arthritis. Additionally, nuts and seeds are packed with antioxidants, such as vitamin E and selenium, which play roles in combating oxidative stress and reducing inflammation throughout the body. This can further contribute to joint health by protecting the joint tissues from damage caused by free radicals. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes, including chickpeas, lentils, and black beans, are highly nutritious plant-based foods that offer numerous benefits for bone and joint health. One of the key benefits of beans and legumes is their high protein content. Protein is essential for bone health as it provides the building blocks necessary for bone formation and repair. Adequate protein intake is crucial for maintaining optimal bone density and strength, which can help prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Additionally, beans and legumes are rich sources of dietary fiber, which plays a role in supporting overall bone health. Fiber helps regulate digestion and nutrient absorption, ensuring that essential nutrients like calcium and magnesium are effectively utilized by the body for bone formation and maintenance. Moreover, beans and legumes are excellent sources of magnesium, a mineral that is vital for bone health. Magnesium contributes to bone density by aiding in the absorption of calcium and supporting the structural integrity of bones and joints. By including beans and legumes in your diet, you can help ensure that you are meeting your body's magnesium needs, thereby promoting strong and healthy bones. Eggs. Eggs are one of the few natural food sources of vitamin D. Vitamin D is crucial for bone health as it facilitates the absorption of calcium from the diet. Adequate vitamin D levels are necessary for maintaining strong and healthy bones, as well as preventing conditions like osteoporosis. By consuming eggs, you can help support your body's vitamin D requirements, particularly if you have limited sun exposure, which is a primary source of vitamin D synthesis in the body. Additionally, eggs provide other essential nutrients that contribute to bone and joint health. For instance, eggs are rich in phosphorus, a mineral that works alongside calcium to maintain bone strength and structure. They also contain vitamin B12, which plays a role in bone metabolism and the maintenance of healthy nerves surrounding the joints. Fortified foods. Fortified foods refer to products that have been supplemented with additional nutrients, typically those that are essential for good health but may be lacking in the average diet. Examples include breakfast cereals, orange juice, and plant-based milk alternatives, which are commonly fortified with calcium and vitamin D. Calcium is vital for bone health, while vitamin D aids in its absorption, ensuring strong bones and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. However, many people may not get enough of these nutrients through their regular diet. Fortified foods offer a convenient solution by providing an extra boost of these essential nutrients. Incorporating fortified foods into your diet can help bridge nutritional gaps and ensure you meet your body's needs for calcium and vitamin D. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who have dietary restrictions or preferences that limit their intake of traditional sources of these nutrients, such as dairy products. Bone broth. Bone broth is a nutritious liquid made by simmering animal bones and connective tissue for an extended period, typically several hours or even days. During this process, various nutrients such as collagen, calcium, and magnesium are released from the bones into the broth. Collagen, one of the key components found in bone broth, plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of joints and connective tissues. It provides structure and strength to bones, skin, tendons, ligaments, and other tissues throughout the body. Consuming collagen-rich foods like bone broth may help support joint health by preserving the integrity of cartilage and reducing joint pain and stiffness. In addition to collagen, bone broth is also rich in minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are essential for bone strength and overall skeletal health. These minerals contribute to maintaining bone density and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Berries, including strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are renowned for their vibrant colors and delicious flavors. Beyond their taste, they offer a wealth of health benefits, particularly due to their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are compounds that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, thereby reducing inflammation and protecting against oxidative stress. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress can contribute to various health issues, including bone and joint problems. Soy-based products. Tofu and other soy products such as tempeh and edamame are highly nutritious and versatile foods that offer numerous health benefits. These soy-based foods are rich sources of protein, making them excellent options for those looking to increase their protein intake, particularly for individuals following vegetarian or vegan diets. Moreover, soy products are typically low in saturated fat and cholesterol, making them heart-healthy alternatives to animal-derived protein sources. Consuming less saturated fat can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and other health conditions. Incorporating these 10 foods into your diet can help improve bone density and boost joint health. Remember to combine these foods with regular exercise and other lifestyle habits for optimal results. If you liked today's video, please give it a like and subscribe for more health content like this.